gonna get back.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here in Richmond, Virginia. The time is now like 6 a.m. I'm super early for the drift event, but I'm super excited to learn and just become a better driver already. I had to stop and get some gas. I have about an hour to kill before the gates actually open up at 7. If you don't know who I am, my name is Cardi Carl. You should probably hit that subscribe button because I make like decent content. But I got everything packed into the car. I actually had to leave the gas jugs, which is why I'm gonna fill up on gas. I was trying to fit everything last night. Shout out to my boy Anthony. He actually gave me 2 WRX wheels that are 5x100, so that works for my car. And then I actually found a place that sold me 5 tires. I was only able to fit 4, but this bitch is packed out. Check it out. I got 2 tires there. I got tires there. I got tires there. I got tires in the trunk. It was definitely rough trying to fit everything in here, but I'm glad I made it. I'm glad I was able to do everything. But let's fill up on some gas and then find some breakfast and chill for an hour. Because he's smart. I wasn't smart and didn't bring one, but it's okay. It's raining. It's not that bad with the rain right now, so I'll be all right. I'll live. My stuff will be okay, but everything's unpacked. And now I'm just waiting for my car to get teched, and then I guess we'll get started. All right, being one of those GoPro guys, because I don't want to bring out my camera just because of how wet it is out here. I mean, maybe if the rain stops, I'll bring it out. But for right now, we are GoPro people. Past tech, switch my tires over. Waiting for the driver's meeting, and it's cold. Yo, it is so cold out here and wet. And your boy did not bring a tent. I didn't bring a fire like those guys. Those guys over there have a whole fire. What do I have? What do I have? Anime titties. That's it. Then, Vontae, I swear to God, if anyone gets in this car and says anything about these stickers, I swear to God. Now, granted, I could take it off, but it's just pretty funny. It's just kind of like a running joke. But like, what were you thinking? First run, don't really know what I'm doing. Well, I know what I'm doing, but I don't. Let's see. Damn it. So I'm not really like nervous. I think, well, no, I'm not nervous. I'm just sitting here. It's just really wet. I'm not used to going in the, I'm not used to driving in the wet. I don't like this side at all. I don't like that side. I do not like that one.
It's like on and off grip.
Yeah, I don't like that.
So that one, I learned that one when it was like just pools of water over there.
Yeah.
It's easy. It helps, honestly.
Okay.
To figure out that like just when to give it gas or not. Cause like on the super dry spot, sometimes I'll give it gas and it's just like it'll be too much, and then you gotta mess with your steering.
Yeah.
It helps you. That area is good to like test all your reflexes all at once. But it
Okay.
is kind of hard first time.
Okay.
You gotta get the feel of this gas at the same time.
Okay. Okay, we're going on the main course. Never been on the main don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here. I'm just gonna go for it. Just have some fun.
Do a few group laps on the track, and then we're gonna grid up on the end.
Okay. Yeah, so I guess we'll just see what happens. Big boy track, you know, your boy's nervous, but you know, don't know what I'm doing. You know, we're just out here having fun, I'm vibing, I'm having a good time. Super cool, guys. I'm really enjoying myself, so having a lot of fun there. But we're vibing. We're vibing. I feel like I have to scream just to talk. I don't really know how well you guys can hear me. I don't have a mic connected to my GoPro. I probably should, but I don't, so that's that. So I think they're just kind of sending us out one by one, and I gotta be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Like, I have no idea at all. So we're just gonna see what happens here. Don't really know what I'm doing. We got traction control. Shit! That was so good! I was feeling it for a second. Oh my. All right, so I just asked one of the instructors, DK, to ride with me to give me some pointers to kind of help me out.
How's it going, man?
Good, yeah.
Good. How does it feel?
It feels all right. I just keep like spinning, so I was just like, you know what, I might as well just ask for some tips.
So just be careful, because like you don't want to wash out.
Yeah.
I would go like turn in.
Mm-hmm.
All right, start to turn out, and then like keep turning, then clutch kick. So right there, you should have put gave a little bit more gas.
Okay.
Alright. Gas. Gas. Yep.
Alright, okay. So I just wasn't giving enough gas.
So a lot of people think because you spin out, say like you spin out like understeer, a lot of people are like, oh no, I need less gas. Sometimes you need more.
Okay. Alright then. Easy.
Are we back? I guess instructor section now.
Yeah.
Dang. Hey, but good one, yo.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna get back with you on this one too.
Okay. Alright, cool. Well, the instructors told me to do a big circle around both cones rather than just figure 8s and whatnot. So we're just gonna try it. Thank you.
Yeah, it might be easier going this way. So maybe figure out that way.
Yeah.
And then do the big circle this way.
Okay.
So you have more space.
Okay.
Try that way.
All right.
Just keep doing it.
Okay. Huh?
Pretty good, dude.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Maybe next one, try second and see how that feels.
Okay.
Just for the big, but I know you're probably gonna need first for the 8.
Okay.
So try that.
All right. So much from that. Yeah. It's a lot drier than it was earlier, so I should make Yo, that was so much easier. So much easier. That was probably my best run of the day. Best run of the day, for sure. I'm getting it! Oh my god, I'm getting it! Alright. Same setup as over there, just like backwards or something like that. It's a little bit different because it's like wet and dry, so I'm trying to get used to it, but it's not bad. the next day. Your boy was tuckered out. I was tired. Woke up 4 a.m. Didn't get home till 6. Normally I take an afternoon nap. Didn't happen. So your boy was tired. So I got home. Didn't even unpack my car or anything like that. Just got home, took a shower, and knocked the hell out. Because I honestly did not think it was going to be that much driving. But literally right after the driver's meeting, it was driving. We were literally driving all day, except for the times where it was instructor drive time. And I mean, that was even crazy because I wasn't just sitting there. I was trying to ride in every instructor's car just to absorb as much as I could. And let me tell you something. A lot of people, so going to an event like this, it's like kind of like going to a new gym. And like you think that people aren't going to want to talk to you, to be cliquey, blah, blah, blah. Quite the opposite. 110% amazing experience. Instructors, super nice, willing to do ride-alongs, give me tips, challenge me in different ways that I wouldn't have thought outside of just like the normal donuts, figure eights, and stuff like that. Absolutely incredible. I truly think that going there was way better than going to a parking lot and trying to teach yourself and stuff like that. Like this, I learned so much in just one day than anything. Now granted, the rain in the beginning, I thought, I was like, damn, this is definitely gonna suck. But it was crazy to think that like rain was like my enemy, or like being in the wet was my enemy, because I was like, damn, this is gonna make it 10 times harder to learn. But I think that was way better for me to learn starting out in the wet, because it allowed me to kind of learn more control over my car in the wet than like a normal situation when it was dry. So it was definitely cool to experience different like traction situations, like completely like wet, slushy, snowing, to semi-wet, to drying and stuff like that. Crazy. And again, instructors, absolutely great, like explaining to me like how they approach it, what they would do, riding along with me and showing the difference, and allowing me to ride along with them and just see like what they do. And it kind of helped me kind of understand like how they attack the track opposed to like what I was doing. Definitely love the experience. I've already signed up for the next driver's novice clinic because I definitely want to go back and like I want to learn so much more. But great experience, great experience. I loved every second of it. I'm hooked, so I'll be back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.